No, not quite there. Okay, guys, so we're here now. So we're going to backlighting. So we keep following the sun. The sun was here, still here, and it's still very nice, but we're already done with that one. So as the sun goes down, you know, the light gets better in terms of the flare and all this dreamy type of thing. So we're going to do backlighting. Again, we can do it from the 1635 to the 7200. We have a 50 also, have a tilt shift we can play with later. So we're going to start using the shadow that we have here. So I asked them to go out a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to ask them to go back and meet in between, in the middle right here. So you can go 3, 2, 1, and that's beautiful. And then, oh my God, I love this. Let's do it one more time, Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. That's perfect. And open a little bit. Oh my God, that's it. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna just, I need a close-up of this, honestly, guys. I need a really, really, really tight close-up of this. Because the light right now is getting gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm gonna go with the 7200 right here. I'm gonna get a flare. I think if I go low enough, it's gonna get a beautiful flare. Okay, so I'm gonna see your faces in this one. So I wanna make sure that this is gonna be like a slow motion, okay, guys? So you go like very, very slow, and then you kiss, but very, very tiny kiss, okay? Let's do it, guys. 3, 2, 1, and go. Beautiful, and open up a little bit for me. Perfect. And Kiara, remember I asked you to touch his face like this? Perfect. So I need to see a little bit more separation. I know you guys really like kissing, but I want to see. And then you can slap him a little bit, a couple of times. Slap his face. I don't know why every time I say that, they like it. It's every time. It's funny. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and again. Beautiful, beautiful. You're enjoying this too much, way too much. Okay, and then guys, last one here. Okay, let me use this thing. Okay, so I was thinking how I'm gonna use this one. I can use it both ways. Okay, since you guys are there, let's stay on the frame here, inside that frame, and then in this time, instead of you having come here, I'm gonna post you here. Okay, so I want Christian to be here. Let's look at this way over here. And then, come here, you come first. Perfect. And then a little bit more out, I think out will be better. Yeah, perfect. And then this way, 1 inch to my right, perfect. And then Kiara, come over here, put your hand over here, like that, perfect. Like that, awesome. Always relaxing one leg, like that, perfect, beautiful. I love the wind coming in right now. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. Okay, stay there. Oh my God. Okay, can you guys move from outside? Thank you. Oh my God, this is perfect. 3, 2, 1, and just look at her, man. That's perfect. There we go. Stay there. And then with this hand, Christian, hold her tight. Like that. There we go. Perfect. Done. And then I'm gonna go far away, like I told you, where I left my thing here. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to use this thing. So this is going to be a reflection. So it's almost like a double exposure, but it's not really. So what I'm doing here is everything is like a transparency. So, but acts like a mirror wherever it's darker, because the light right now on you is dark enough to see you, but at the same time to reflect the texture that is reflecting here. So it's kind of in between. So this is something that you need to practice if you want to do this. Don't hurt yourself, kids at home, okay? And then, let me see, you shoot it with a 35, because I'm very used to shooting with a 35. And expose for their faces, okay? Perfect. And then what I'm reflecting right now here is actually part of the castle, part of what is behind me, okay? And then, Christian, go ahead and grab a tiny a keys here, but very slowly, here, but don't ruin her makeup. Be careful with you know, there we go. Oh my God, the wind. It's so beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. 3, 2, 1, and then look in the best composition here. Oh my God. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, and okay, give me space, guys. There you go. Just look at each other. Give me like 85% of a kiss. Your numbers, guy. You know this. 85% of a kiss. Not 100. 85. There you go. Beautiful. And I'm trying to get that tree behind me. There you go. And then I'm gonna go even closer here. I'm trying to get the tower. And then there's people behind me for some reason. Behind them. Okay, and give me maybe 50% of a kiss, a little bit less, more separation between you two guys. And beautiful. Okay, perfect. Okay, awesome. Okay, now you guys come here, and then I want you guys to sit for a second. Over here. Let me get this here. Sorry about that. So, let's see, guys. So, we'll put this down here. So, Christian. Cool dude here. Okay. So, you're here. Like that. And then you go first. Here, sorry. Okay, perfect. So, and then in this case, I want you to be here. Okay. So I want to see your back coming back here. Okay, perfect. Is it okay? No, let me hold it. Would you go back a little bit more? It's more firm if you go all the way back. Yeah. Perfect. Get her. Perfect. So amazing. So I'm gonna use the same. Gonna come here. But now I want to show a little bit of the front side of the castle. Okay. So using the same idea, but now instead of reflecting nature, we're going to reflect the tower of the castle on you guys. Okay. So it's going to expose for that light, and that because I have a lot of stuff going on here, left and right. I'm just going to remove everything, and then. Right after this, I'm going to do something very, very minimalist. Okay, so Christian, just look at Kira. Perfect. And then Kira, can you look over your shoulder? Don't look at him, just look over your shoulder. A little bit, rotate the chair a little bit more this way. Perfect, like that, perfect. And then hold hands here with your left hand instead of touching him. Just hold your hands. Instead of doing this, just grab his hand. Left hand. Just hold hands in the middle. Yeah, like that. So like this. Yeah, like that. And then just come down. Yeah, like that. You can put it all the way down. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Yeah. It's like if you're in a bar, James Bond just walk into a bar and saw this girl and she's like, hey, what are you doing tonight? Are you busy tonight? Okay, perfect. You want to be? Okay. Okay, guys, so there we go. Let me see. Perfect. This is interesting here. So, Kara, you know what? I think it's better like if you stand. Just let him there. He looks cool there, but I want you to be standing because I want to see your dress and I want to see the wing also. Yeah, you can stay there, but she can stand. Yeah, you can stand in front of him. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, I cover everything else. Beautiful. Yeah, perfect. And then just walk a little bit more forward towards me. Perfect. Like that. Gorgeous. Okay. So every time that I'm taking photos, remember I'm taking 3 types of pictures. I'm taking like medium range body language, very close, details, and then far away, the context. So all the time, like if you're gonna build, for example, an album, you need a story. You need something that says, okay, this is where it happens, this is who they are, this is what they're about, this is how they behave. Okay, so you're telling the story by taking the photos in 3 times. Okay, this is what long time ago in a small place, etc., etc. So you set up context, you set up personalities, you set up characters, and then you set up behavior and emotion. But you're doing that by cropping in the different spaces. Okay. Okay. Now that one for this one, can you get like really, really, really tight, really more closer, like that. Perfect. Okay. And wrap your face like that, really tight. Awesome. Stay there. Hold on. Okay, 3, and then I'm gonna lower my shutter speed and open a little bit, lower my ISO, lower my shutter speed, and I'm gonna do something risky here, and it's gonna move this to create some motion to make it interesting. Okay, 3, 2, time. 3, 2, time. Almost there. Almost there, guys. Look up. Beautiful. Stay there. I move. You don't move. Just you're perfect. You don't move. Amazing. By the way, nobody's used to see themselves in aperture 8. Nobody's used to see themselves in aperture 1.4. So to create also, the feeling of a more cinematographic effect, you want to always go up 3.5 or below 3.5. Are we going for a commercial now? Okay, so we're gonna have a break, but you don't move. We're gonna have a break, and then we come back. So Dario, that's you, man.